Okay. Hi, all of you. If you're able to hear me properly and see me clearly, please type AV. A stand for audio, V stand for video. I'll keep the mic a bit far so that volume is not too much. Okay, so superb. All of you are able to hear me properly and see me. So, hi, all of you. I made you wait for 8 minutes. Okay, so thank you so much for waiting. How are you all doing? I think I'm meeting you after 4 to 5 days. There was a break of 4 to 5 days. I was not keeping well, so I couldn't take the session for 4 to 5 days. Now I'm fine. So we will have sessions almost every day. Okay, from today. So how are you all doing? How's your preparation going, all of you? Let me know. Okay. So let's start the class, all of you. So if you all are ready, so let's begin the session without wasting any time. Last class, before that, I had done units place in the first class. Second class, we had done few concepts on average. So today's class, we will continue average, and then what we will do is we will move on to profit and loss, important questions with respect to TCS, NQT, digital, and also we have prepared questions keeping Infosys in mind. Okay. So let's start, all of you. Try this question, people. Okay. So how many of you are stuck or you're taking a lot of time? Type as me fast. Sir, I'm taking a lot of time or I'm still trying to solve the problem or I do not know how to start. Type as me so that I get to know you people well. Okay. So let us see how to solve this problem. In a class of 64 students, average marks is 88. Okay, so people, this is how 99% people solve. How they solve is in a class of 64, average is 88. So in a class of 64, average is 88. Am I right? So can I say the sum of 64 will be what, sir? Sum of 64 will be 64 into 88. I hope the concept is clear, all of you. Now, how to multiply this faster? 6 8s are 48. Leave a space, 4 8s are 32. Okay, 4 8s are 32, 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 32 is how much, sir? 80 plus 3 is nothing but 83. So my answer is 5632. I hope my calculation is right. Let me just check it again. 6 8s are 48, leave a space, 4 8s are 32, 2 with 3 carry. 4 8s are 32, 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 32 is 80, 80 plus 3 is 83. So 56, 32, correct. Now, top 10 students, what is their average, sir? 142. So if top 10 students, average is 142 means, can I say, total will be what, sir? Total will be 10 into 142, that is nothing but 1420. Sir, 64 people have scored total 5632 and 10 students have scored 1420. So remaining students are scoring how much, sir? That is remaining 54 students are scoring. 5000 minus 1000 is 4000. 4600 minus 400 is 4200. 4212. Am I right? 5000 minus 1000, 4600, 4200, 4212. This, if I want average, this is nothing but total. If you want average, divide by the number of students, 54. So this goes by 9. 5 plus 4, 9 gets divided by 9. This 7, 8, 9, 10. It is not going by 9. 6, 7, 8, 9 going. So can I say 9 6 are 9 4 are 36, 61. 9 6 are 54. Okay. Then this is nothing but 72. So 9 sevens are. So again, am I doing it right? So 4212 divided by 54. 9 6 are 54, 9 4s are 36, 61, 9 6 are 54, 72. Okay, so 72 means 9 watts are 72, 6 are 54, 7s are 63, 8s are 72. This is 8. 6 1s are 6, 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 48 8s are. So answer is nothing but 78. So this is how, I mean, your calculations, if you do, this is how maximum people solve the problem, and minimum it takes around 1.5 to 2 minutes for me to solve. Sir, can I do this sum in the fastest way possible? Is there any other method where I can ignore all these long methods? Yes. How to do it is this. Sir, average of 64 students is 88. Top 10 students scored 142. Now, people, can you tell me average is 88, okay? And 10 students are scoring 142. Can you tell me how much more are they scoring from the average? Sir, average is 88. They have scored 142 means how much more have they scored? Sir, they have scored 12 plus 42. That is nothing but 54 more. Am I right? Sir, they have scored 54 more. And like this, one student has scored 54 more. Am I right? Sir, each student has scored 54 more. And like this, how many students we have, sir? We have 10 students. So can I say total 54 into 10, that is nothing but 540 marks they have scored more, all of you. Are you all with me till here? They have scored 540 marks more. Sir, if you remove them, what are you doing? Find the average of remaining means you're removing these 10 people, which means when I remove these 10 people, I'm losing 540. On the remaining, how many students, sir? Out of 64, if you remove 10, remaining is what, sir? 54. Which means I am losing how many marks, sir? 540 by 54 is nothing but 10 marks. So I am losing 10 marks on average. So average was 88. On this 88, I'm losing 10 marks. So the new average is 78. Did you all understand the technique how to solve yes or no people fast? Did you all understand how we solved this within 20 seconds in the least Number of steps possible. Fast. Okay, now if you have understood, try this sum, all of you. A very, very important sum. Okay, people, if you are still taking time, type as me. Or if you are stuck, type as me. Or if you do not know how to start, type as me. Okay. So before we continue with this sum, I would like you to solve this problem, people. So try this sum, then we'll get back to the previous sum. Try this sum, people. Okay, time up. Now coming to this sum, a batsman scored 135 runs in his 20th innings. Innings is nothing but you can take it as match. Okay. And increased his average by 5 runs. Find his average after 20th match. This is what they've asked. And few people have given right answers. Many people have given wrong answers. No problem. See, now problem is, sir, I read the question, sir, I've understood, but I do not know how to start to solve. Am I right? Or I have started, I do not know if I'm going right or wrong. First thing is write down whatever is given. A batsman scored 135. Sir, he is scoring 135 means 135 in the numerator. In his 20th match, Okay, so total number of matches I got is to know is 20. So in numerator, no sir, average means sum by number. Number of matches I got to know. I got to know 20th match. Let us sum of scores from first match to 19th match. Let me say, let it be 19x. Every match, let me say, is scoring x runs. Till the 19th match, total will be 19x. What was his initial average, sir? Okay, and now they're telling us average increases by 5. This is what they have given. Okay, so let me put it this way. Let me first write down whatever they have told in the question. They have told a batsman scores 135 runs in his 20th match and increases his average by 5. This is what has been given, sir, in the question. Now, they are telling, do we know what was his initial average? No, sir. Let his initial average be X. Sir, initial average means what, sir? Till 19th match, his average was X. Which means, can I assume every match he scored X number of runs? Yes or no? Sir, first match X, second match X, third match X, like this. 19th match again X. So can I say total in 19 matches he has scored 19X runs? All of you. Yes or no? Now, observe, okay. So just cross multiply this. 20 into X is nothing but 20X plus 20 into 5 is nothing but 100 equal to 19X plus 135. So 20x minus 19x is nothing but x. Okay, 135. If 100 goes this side, it becomes minus 100. 135 minus 100 is nothing but 35. So I got to know x equal to 35. What is this x equal to 35? This is his initial average. But in the question, what are they asking? Find his average till 19th innings or after 20th innings. After 20th innings, no sir, it increased by 5. So answer should be 35 plus 5. That is nothing but 40 runs. I hope the concept is clear. Now, this is how people, 99.99% people solve. Is it clear? Everybody solves it in same way or a bit one or two steps here and there. This is how they do. Can I do this sum in another way? Let me teach you a concept here, okay? Let me say 6 semesters are there. First sem I scored 60%, second sem I scored 60, third sem 60, fourth sem 60, fifth sem 60. So what is my average, sir? My average till fifth sem, can I say, is nothing but 60%? Yes or no? Now, in the sixth sem, again, if I score 60%, can I say my average would be 60? But in the sixth sem, I am scoring 90%. People, if I am scoring 90%, how much percent extra am I scoring this time? Sir, I am scoring 30% extra. Am I right? Now, can I say this 30% extra will get distributed among all the 6 semesters? So 30 by 6 is nothing but 5% extra, which means my average increases by 5% every semester. Clear? Let me explain it again. Sir, first sem till fifth sem, my average is 60%. In the sixth sem, I've scored 90%, sir, which means I've scored 30% extra. Now, this 30% gets equally distributed among all the 6 semesters. So, 30 by 6 is nothing but 5% extra I got. Now, I will put this in the reverse order. Okay, now see, I have scored 90% and my average increased by 5% in all the 6 semesters. So, what was my initial average? I repeat, I have scored 90% and increased my average by 5% in all the 6 semesters. What was my initial average? Very simple, sir. I've scored 90% and my average increased by 5% in 6 semesters. So, total 5 into 6, I have scored 30% extra. Sir, I have scored 90. In this 90, if I've scored 30% extra, no, sir, the remaining 60 was my initial average. I repeat, I have scored 90. In this 90, if I've scored 30% extra, the remaining 60 was my initial average. I hope you have understood the technique. Now I'll apply the same technique in this sum. Sir, a batsman scored 135 runs in his 20th match and increased his average by 5 runs. Now, he has scored 135 runs and increased his average by 5 runs. In how many matches? 20 matches. So, what is 5 into 20, sir? 5 into 20 is nothing but 100 runs extra. Sir, in 135, if he has scored 100 runs extra, the remaining 35 was his initial average. Am I getting the same answer? And now his average increases by 5, so it becomes 40 runs. Is this concept clear, not clear, or crystal clear, people? Crystal clear means what? 100% I've understood the concept. So either type C, clear, NC, not clear, or CC if it is crystal clear. Fast. I'll give you one more sum of the same type. Okay. So I see so many people giving the answer without even touching the pen. Very good people. So let me read the question. Tendulkar has a certain average for 9 innings. In the 10th innings, he scored 100 runs and thereby increased his average by 8 runs. Now, sir, he is increasing his average by 8 runs in how many matches, sir? 10 matches. So 8 into 10 is nothing but 80 runs extra. Sir, in 100, if he has scored 80 runs extra, which means the remaining 20 was his initial average, his new average increases by 8, so it becomes 20 plus 8, that is nothing but 28 runs. Are you able to do these type of sums without touching the pen within 10 seconds? Yes or no, people? Okay. So now if you're able to solve this, now let me go back to the original question and let me see, can you do this without touching the pen? Now. Very good, Rakshit. Correct. Good, Swami. Sanket, Supriya. Good. Very good, Aishwarya, Santosh. Okay. So I'm sure that all of you now have learned how to do the sum without touching the pen. So let's go to the next one, all of you. People try this sum. This is commonly asked in placements, okay? Try the sum. 10 seconds more people. Good, Santosh. Patak. Correct. Okay. Now let's see how to solve this problem, all of you. This is what they've given. Initially, there were 100 students in a hostel, 20 more students, average per head decreased by 5. Sir, I'm not able to understand this part. 20 more students joined, average expenditure per head decreased by 5. I do not understand this part. Let me take a simple example, okay? Let me say I'm starting a new batch to train students, okay? And I say that I am charging 1000 rupees. Now, can you tell me I am charging 1000 rupees. Can you tell me you're a group of 10 students, 10 friends? Okay, you are a group of 10 friends, and if I am collecting 1000, totally I'm collecting 1000 per head, how much will you pay? All of you. 10 students are there. 1000 rupees is the fee of the trainer. So every student, can I say, will pay 1000 by 10, that is nothing but 100 rupees. So you 10 friends, each of them will pay 100 rupees. Now one of you comes to me and tells, sir, can we include more students in the class? I tell you, include how many ever students you want, but my charge is 1000 rupees. You're like, okay, sir. Then what do? You bring 10 more friends, which means now it became 20 friends and you have to pay me 1000 rupees total. So now can you tell me each and every person will pay me how much? All of you. So that is nothing but 1000 by 20. Sir, 1000 by 20 is nothing but 50 rupees. Sir, initially they were paying 100 rupees. Now they are paying 50 rupees. So can I tell more the number of people, the expense per head, every student expense per head will decrease. So this is the concept. More number of people are coming. So expense of the hostel is decreasing. Clear? Now, total expenditure increased by 400, current expenditure of the hostel. Now, sir, let me assume um, there were X number of students initially, X students initially. If they were paying, let me assume, okay, let this X be, instead of X students, they've already given 100 students. So let me say each and every student was paying X rupees initially. So let me say this is nothing but X rupees is nothing but cost per head. Per head, no sir. Initially, they were paying X rupees. Clear? So, initial expenditure of the mess is how much, sir? Or let me say total expenditure or expense of the mess. If every student X rupees, 100 students, total expense would have been 100X rupees. I hope all of you are with me. Now they are telling 20 more students joined. So now per head will be how much, sir? If 20 more students joined per head, initially it was X, now decreased by 5. So now can I say everybody now will pay 5 rupees less than before? And what is the total expense of the mess? Sir, now the total expense of the mess is nothing but X minus 5. Like this, how many people are paying? 120 students are paying. 100 were paying, now 20 more. So 120 people are paying X minus 5 rupees. Okay, just this is the concept. Okay, just try to understand. We will come out with more techniques. So can I say total expense is nothing but 120 into x minus 5? This is what is the expense of the mess, and they are telling total expenditure increased by 400. Sir, initially total expenditure was how much, sir? 100x, and now it increased by 400 is nothing but 400 plus 100x. So this is the new expenditure of the mess, and this is the new expenditure of the mess. Both are equal to each other. 120x minus 100x is nothing but 20x. Minus 120 into 5 is nothing but minus 600. If it goes this side, it will become plus 600. So 400 plus 600 is nothing but 1000. So x is nothing but 50. So what is this x, sir? This x is nothing but per head cost of initial. Everybody initially were paying 50 rupees. Now what are they telling? Find the current expenses of the hostel. So either you substitute here or you substitute here. You should get the same answer. So if x is 50, 50 into 100 is 5000. 5000 plus 400 is nothing but 5400 rupees. I hope the concept is clear. Now this is how everybody will solve. Okay, can I solve this in an easier way? Okay, very simple. People now tell me one thing. Okay, uh, Just give me a second. I think I'm getting a chat here. Okay. Before I continue, are you all able to hear me properly and see me clearly? Type AB fast. I just lost my connectivity. Okay, super. So all of you are able to hear and see me. Now, this is how everybody solves. Can I do this in a faster way? Yes, sir. Very easily you can do. How to do this sum? Now see, um, initially, okay, let me say there were 100 students. Now 20 more people joined. Sir, when 20 more people joined, no sir, everybody paid how many rupees less? 5 rupees less. Am I right? So each and every student paid 5 rupees less. And this payment was done by how many students? Was it done by 100 students? No, sir. By 20 students? No, sir. By 120 students? Yes. So can I say 120 students paid me 5 rupees less each? So total how much less I got if I'm the hostel manager? Total how much I got less? Sir, 5 rupees into 120 students. That is nothing but 600 rupees less I got. Is it clear? So I got 600 rupees less. Not only that, I have to even give 400 rupees more, increased by 400. Sir, from one end, I am getting 600 rupees less. And from the other end, I have to put 400 rupees more. So I'm getting a loss of 600 from here. And I'm putting 400 more means I'm getting a loss of 400. So total is what, sir? 600 plus 400. I am getting a total loss of 1000 rupees. Lost 600 from here, gave 400 more. So I lost 1000 rupees because of how many students joined? 20 students joined. Sir, because of these 20 students, there was a total difference of 1000 rupees. Sir, if 20 students correspond to 1000 rupees, one student will be 1000 by 20. That is nothing but how much, sir? I hope the concept is clear. So 50 was the initial expense. So 100 students were there. 5000 was the initial expense of the hostel. Now it increased by 400. So 5000 plus 400 is nothing but 5400. This is how we do without even touching the pen. Clear, all of you? Now let me see, is there any other sum left out in average, or are we good to start with profit and loss? Now people, try this sum. First sum under profit and loss. Okay, am I now audible? All of you? Okay. So did you understand this sum or do you want me to repeat? Did you understand this technique or you want me to repeat type fast? Okay, let me repeat. Now see, a man buys 10 toffees for 3 rupees and sells 8 toffees for 3 rupees. Now, I am buying 10 toffees for 3 rupees and I am selling 8 toffees for 3 rupees, which means what? I am buying 10 and I am giving you 8, which means I am getting a profit of 2. No, I got 10. In this 10, I kept 2 with me and sold the remaining 8 to you. So I am getting a profit of 2 over 8. Sir, 2 over 8 is nothing but 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is nothing but 25% profit. Okay? Whenever you apply this technique, no, you always compare with selling quantity. And what is the selling quantity here? 8. So I am comparing my profit with selling quantity. Selling quantity is 8. So 2 over 8 is 1 by 4. Now, if you have understood this concept, give a try for this sum. Let me see, are you able to solve this without touching the pen? Try the sum. The selling price of 15 mangoes is equal to the cost price of 20 mangoes. Find profit or loss percent. Very good, Shrija. Good, Sharon, Varun, Anil, Abhishek. Superb. I'm sure that now you're able to do within 10 seconds without touching the pen. All of you. Selling price of 15 mangoes, okay, is equal to the cost price of 20 mangoes, which means what, sir? Selling 15 mangoes cost 20 mangoes. Sir, cost of 20 mangoes is nothing but I am buying 20 mangoes. Cost is nothing but buying. I am buying 20 mangoes and I am giving you how many mangoes, sir? 15 mangoes I'm giving you. Okay. Now I'm not using any mathematical statements of 5 to 6 lines without touching the pen. I am buying 20 mangoes and in this I'm giving you 15 mangoes, meaning what? I kept 5 mangoes with me. So my profit, sir, is 5. Over selling quantity, how many mangoes am I selling? 15. So 5 over 15 is nothing but 1 by 3. That is nothing but 33.33%. Now tell me these type of sums, can we do it without touching the pen within 10 seconds? Yes or no, people? Till then, I'll give you the next sum. Okay. So this is the question given. Okay, I am buying 6 pencils at rupees 5 and I am selling 5 pencils at rupees 6. I've just written one more time because I have two ways of solving this problem. Okay. Now before I solve, I'll just show you, okay, like how it is solved elsewhere. So if you check this sum, same question. A man buys pencil at the rate of 6 for 5 rupees and he sells them at 5 for 6 rupees. Okay, so to find the cost of one pencil, fraction method and all. Now, can I do this without even touching the pen? I can do, but you should know a technique for that. Okay, now let us see how to solve this sum in the easiest way and the fastest way. I am buying 6 pencils at 5 rupees and I am selling 5 pencils at 6 rupees. Now, sir, what is happening here? You don't have to waste your time finding, okay, one pencil will be 5 by 6, one pencil here will be 6 by 5. No, sir. People try to make the rate equal or try to make the quantity equal. Okay. So let me try to make the rate equal here. Now, 5 and 6. What is the LCM of 5 and 6 are 30. So 5 watts are 30, sir. 5 6 are 30. 6 watts are 30, sir. 6 5s are 30. Am I right? I'm trying to make the rate equal. Now, 5 6 are 30. Here also 5 6 are 30. I know both are 30. I'll not waste my time writing the right side. Left side. 6 6 are 36. Which means I am buying 36 pencils. 5 5s are. I'm selling 25 pencils. So this is the concept. I am buying 36 pencils and I'm selling 25 pencils, which means what, sir? I'm buying 36. In this 36, I'm giving you 25. So how much did I keep with me, sir? My profit is 11, sir. Over selling quantity, how much am I selling? 25. You need percentage into 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So answer is 11 into 4. That is nothing but 44% profit. I hope the concept is clear. Sir, you made rate equal. Can I make quantity also equal? Yes, you can go with quantity also. 6 pencils and 5 pencils. Okay, make it equal 6 and 5. LCM is 30. 6 watts are 30, sir. 6 5s are 30. 5 watts are 30. 5 6 are 30. Now, 5 into 6, 30 pence or 30 pencils. 6 into 5, 30 pencils. I know left side is equal. I will not waste my time writing. But if you are hardworking, please do write. Okay, now 5 5s are 25, which means I am buying at 25 rupees. 6 6 are 36, which means I'm selling at 36 rupees. I'm selling at 36 rupees. Now, sir, buying at 25, selling at 36, which means I'm buying at 25, selling at 36 rupees means can I say I'm getting a profit of 11 over cost price. Now we are focusing on price, so we should compare with cost price into 100, sir. 25 ones are 25 fours. Again, 11 into 4 is nothing but 44%. Whenever I'm comparing with quantity, we compare with selling quantity. Whenever we are comparing with price, we compare with cost price. Is it clear? So this is how we do these type of sums in the simplest and the fastest way possible. Let's go to the next one. This one, people. Okay. Palash is like, sir, how does Shrija give answers always correct? She is a student of Quant Masters. She is of our previous batch. Okay, and she has practiced all the concepts well. She has gone through her exams. That is why she can solve it within 30 seconds. In fact, Palash, to be very honest with you, all our students, okay, who have joined our training know, not only in my session, they enroll anywhere, they take up any exam, they will be able to solve it first and correct. Do you agree? All the ones who are my students here? Okay. Now this question, a rise in 25% in the price of grapes compels a man to buy 1.5 kg of less grapes for 240 rupees. Then the original price of grapes is what? Per kg is what? Okay, now before I get into this sum, no, I would give you another sum. Try this sum, people. Okay, this sum actually is more tough. So let's go to this sum only. Let's try this sum. Okay, so I'll give you half a minute more. Try till then I'll write the question on the board. Okay, so this sum, how do we do? 25% rise in price of grapes. Man is able to buy 1.5 kg more at 240 rupees. Obviously, sir, when 20, a man is able to buy 1.5 kg less or more. Just give me a second. Let me check. Less. Okay. So he's able to buy 1.5 kg less. Now it is making sense. Sir, whenever price increases, no, whenever price is increasing, can I say we should buy less quantity? Yes or no? So he's buying 1.5 kg less at 240 rupees. Sir, I did not understand at 240 rupees. What do we mean by this? Okay, and original price per kg. We need to find the price per kg here. Now, people, simple technique. Okay, how do I find price per kg? Let me say I am buying a 2 kg mango. 2 kgs of mangoes I am buying at 100 rupees. Sir, if 2 kg is 100 rupees, what is 1 kg? Sir, 1 kg is nothing but 100 by 2, that is nothing but 50 rupees. Am I right? All of you. So if I want to find the price per kg, total amount by total kg will give me the price per kg. So if you want per kg, no sir, total amount by total kg will give me the price per kg. Clear? So I just want to find total amount, total kg. Now see, sir, I didn't understand this part. Man buys 1.5 kg less at 240. Okay, this part. Now, let me take a scenario. Okay, let me say my mother told me go buy these many kgs of rice and she gives me some money. So I go to the shop. I tell I need these many kgs of rice. And let me say she has given me 100 rupees. Now, shopkeeper tells Himanshu price of rice no has increased. Now I have two options with me. Option number one, I give extra money and buy the same amount of rice. Or option number two, I just have 100 rupees with me and I tell, okay, give me how much ever is possible for 100 rupees and I buy less kg. Now, which option is explained in the question? Can I say scenario number two, where I just have 100 rupees with me and I tell him, okay, give me how much ever is possible. So, can I say this 240 is nothing but the total amount we have? Sir, already I got to know total amount is 240, sir. If I get to know total kg, I will get to know the price per kg. Clear, all of you? Now, see, I'll apply a technique here. Okay. 25% increase. Sir, 25% is 25 by 100. 25 by 100 is nothing but 1 by 4 increase. Increase means what, sir? Increase the denominator, so it becomes 1 by 5 less. Sir, concept. I'll tell you the technique here. Okay. Now they'll do A 125%, B should be what? All that drama not needed. 25% increase. 25% is 1 by 4. Increase means increase the denominator. Okay. So 1 by 4 becomes 1 by 5. Sir, 1 by 5 is what, sir? 100 by 5 is nothing but 20% decrease. Sir, what is this 20% decrease? This is nothing but the decrease in consumption. Sir, price is increasing, no sir. So I have to decrease my consumption by how much percent? I have to decrease my consumption by 20%. And I'm decreasing my consumption by how many kgs? I'm decreasing my consumption by 1.5 kgs. Is it clear? Sir, I am decreasing by 20%. I am decreasing by 1.5 kg, which means this 20% is 1.5 kg. Whatever 1.5 they gave, I found out how much percent is that using this technique. Clear, all of you? Okay, now, if 20% is 1.5, total means what, sir? Total is 100%, 20, what's the 100? 5s are, so here also it is 5. 1.5 into 5 is nothing but 7.5. So I am buying 7.5 kg of grapes at 240 rupees. What is the price per kg? Just divide. Now here also you'll do drama. So multiply by 2 on both sides. This will be 15, 15 ones are 15 ones are 15, 96 are. 16 into 2 is nothing but 32 rupees. I hope the concept is clear, all of you. So I explain again. If I want to find the price per kg, total amount by total kg will give me the price per kg. I got to know total amount is 240. And then what I'm doing, 25% increase means I have to decrease by 20%. And this 20% is 1.5 kg. So 100% of grapes or total grapes is nothing but 7.5 kg. So answer is 240 by 7.5. That is nothing but 32 rupees per kg. Clear? Can I do this in a faster way or a different way? Okay, this is one way. Let me just give a try. All of you, one more method of solving the sum. Okay, sir, why increase by one? This is a technique, okay, which I train in my class in percentage. You do one thing, go back to my percentage class. Okay, I have uploaded a video on percentage in Quant Masters. You go to that chapter and check. Okay, this technique I've explained over there. Now, can I do this in another way? So 25% increase or nothing but 1 by 4 increase. People, can you tell me this was original price? Now, increase by 1 by 4 means what is 1/4 of 240? Can you tell me that? Sir, 1/4 of 240 is 120 by 2. That is nothing but 60 rupees. So now price is increasing by 60 rupees. This is what the shopkeeper is trying to tell. Price increased by 25% means 1/4 of the amount. 1/4 of 240 is nothing but 60 rupees. What do we mean by this? Sir, if I had 60 rupees extra, I would have got back 1.5 kg. No, whatever I told, okay, I keep 1.5 with you. If I had 60 rupees extra, I would have got back that 1.5. So can I say 1.5 kgs, I would have got back using 60 rupees. If I had 60 rupees more, I would have got back this 1.5. Sir, if 1.5 kg is 60 rupees, can I say 1 kg is nothing but 40 rupees? Yes or no? All of you. So what price increase by 25% will give me 40? Sir, 32 rupees increase by 25% will give me 40 rupees. As simple as that. So this is one more way of solving. Or in the question if that asked, find the new price. New price would have been what, sir? Directly I would have got the answer as 40 rupees. Or here, new price would have been what? Sir, increase by 25%, 1/4 of this. What is 1/4 of this? 16 by 2, that is nothing but 8. So new price would have been 40 rupees. I hope all of you have understood this technique of solving. Now, if you have understood this one, no, I'll give you one difficult sum. Let me see if you're able to solve that problem. Right, there's some people. Okay, 1 second. So there are issues. Okay, so I'm getting Pratiksha is like, why did you take 1 by 5? Shreya is like, I'm not getting. Aniket is also telling I'm not getting. Where am I taking 1 by 5? Where am I taking 1 by 5? 1 by 5. Yeah, so okay, I will how now to explain this technique, no, I need 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so please check this technique. 1 by 4 increase means increase the denominator. So 1 by 4 increase becomes 1 by 5. If it was something like this, 1 by 3 increase. So increase the denominator, it would have become 1 by 4 decrease. Okay, so this is how we can find out in the fastest way possible. So that is there in percentage topic. Please check. Okay. So how we got 1 by 5, it is clear. Apart from this, any other doubt you got? Apart from this. Remaining, I hope it is clear. Right? So let's go to the next one. 30 seconds more. Okay. Now, this is the question given 2 kg more for rupees 198 due to 25 by 3% reduction. Now, applying the technique, I'll do it in two methods. Okay. Method number one and method number two. Sir, 25 by 3% decrease. Reduction is nothing but decrease. So 25 by 3% is nothing but 25 by 300. That is nothing but 1 by 12. Decrease. Decrease means decrease the denominator. So this becomes 1 by 11 increase. Clear all of you? So what is this 1 by 11 increase, sir? This 1 by 11 increase is nothing but increasing my consumption by 2 kg. Sir, increasing by 1 by 11, increasing by 2 kg, which means this 1 by 11th is nothing but 2 kg. If 1 by 11th is 2 kg, total is 11 into 2, that is nothing but 22 kgs. I hope the concept is clear. So I got to know total. This is nothing but total 100% is nothing but 22 kgs. Sir, initially I am buying 22 kgs and now I am buying 2 kg more means I am buying 24 kgs. And what is the total price? 198. Sir, 198 by 22 is how much, sir? 2 nines are 180. 2 nines are 18. 180 plus 18 is 198. So this is nothing but 9 rupees. This is how much, sir? 240, 120, 1 6 or let me say 8 are 160. 4 8 are 32. 160 plus 32 is 192. Okay, so 8s are 192. Remainder out of 198, 192 gone. Remainder is 6, 60. 2s are 48. Remainder is 12, 125. So this is the new price. This is the old price. So what is the difference, people, we are getting? So difference is nothing but 9 minus 8.5. That is nothing but 0.75. This is the fastest and the simplest way to solve this problem. Is this concept clear, not clear, or crystal clear? Fast, all of you. I hope now you have understood this technique. One, decrease means decrease the denominator, increase means increase the denominator. Okay, how 25 by 300? 25 by 3 percentage. Now, if I tell 25 by 3 percentage, so this is nothing but 25 by 3 divided by 100, no? So that 100 goes, so it is something like this, 25 by 3% with respect to 100. So this 100 will come here. So it will become 25 by 300. That is nothing but 1 by 12. I hope it is clear. Okay, fine. Now, can I solve this in another way? So this is one way of solving. Can I solve this in another way? Let me check. This question asked, actually they won't ask in NQT, but in digital they might ask these type of questions. Okay, so you should know how to solve. Sir, 25 by 3% is nothing but 1 by 12. Okay, 1 by 12, what is happening? Decrease. Okay, so 1 by 12 decrease. What is this 1 by 12 decrease, sir? It is nothing but quantity. Okay, sorry. Due to 25% reduction in price. Price is decreasing by 1 by 12. Sir, what is the total price, sir? It is nothing but 198. So decreasing by 1 by 12. So what is 1/12 of 198, sir? It is nothing but 198 by 12. 12 ones are 12. Okay, so remainder is how much? 198 by 12. 12 ones are 12. Remainder is 78. 12 6 are 72.65. Am I right? Is it 16.5? Yes. Sir, when the price, what is this 1 by 12? It is nothing but a reduction in price. This is 16 kg. Because of the 16.5 rupees less, I'm able to buy how many kgs more, sir? 2 kgs more. So if 2 kgs is 16.5, 1 kg will be half of 16.5. That is nothing but 8.25. Am I getting the right answer? 8.25. Here also it is 8.25. And original price will be what, sir? We know that it is nothing but 9 rupees. So difference will be 9 minus 8.25. That is nothing but 0.75 rupees. This is one more way of solving. Okay, so I want you to go through these type of sums because high probability that you will be facing these type of sums itself in the exams. Okay, so if you're like we want to know how these techniques work, we want full detail of how it works, you can join our live classes. Okay, anyways, I started live classes yesterday for 1.5 months. You can join, and each and every topic concepts you can learn from us. Already more than 100 students have joined through YouTube. Okay, so if you are interested, you can join. So this was the sum. Now let us go to the next sum. Okay, before we go to the next sum, we will stop here for today, all of you, because it's already 10:20. We'll stop here for today and we'll meet tomorrow. So tomorrow what we will do is we will be covering questions on simple interest and compound interest. Okay, I'll be showing you how to solve problems in the fastest, easiest and the simplest way. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed the session today. Okay, that concept of percentage, you can go back to my, I will put the attach the link of the video in the description so that it becomes easy for you to follow. Okay, go back and learn that concept. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed and learned well. Take care of yourselves, keep smiling. Bye bye.